this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. We are so glad you are here. We hope you like what you'll see and you hit that red subscribe button. To all our returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It really does mean the world to us. Today we have a new cooking video for you. This is probably something maybe you've made, maybe you haven't. It's an easy skillet dish for stroganoff. I just use hamburger. It makes it a lot easier than getting another cut of meat because I always tend to have hamburger on hand. So without further ado, let me show you how we make our skillet stroganoff. Today I want to share a quick and easy recipe that's for an easy skillet hamburger stroganoff. It just uses ground meat rather than any other cuts of beef. So the list of ingredients and the recipe is linked below. You'll need ground beef, some onion, some canned or fresh mushrooms. Obviously I prefer fresh, but today I didn't have them. Some cream of mushroom soup, and then a lot of seasonings. I often use Worcestershire, some granulated beef bouillon, and things like onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. I prefer wide egg noodles. These are no yolks, and then I'll finish it off at the end with some sour cream. So let me show you how we make easy skillet hamburger stroganoff. The first thing you want to do is get a big enough skillet. Everything goes in one skillet. Add some oil and go ahead and start browning your beef, and add onions. You can add peppers if you like. I don't like them, so I just add onions. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. I like to use this little chopper. I think Pampered Chef has one. This is an OXO. And we're going to go ahead and brown the meat, and then we're going to drain off any grease. In the meantime, I take a large pot and bring it to a boil, and then add my noodles and some salt for the noodles. Once the meat is browned and I've drained off most of the grease, I start adding in seasonings and flavorings. As I said before, everything is listed below. After the seasonings, I go ahead and mix all that up and then add my cream of mushroom soup. Here I'm going to go ahead and add the canned mushrooms. If I'd used fresh, I would have done them at the end of the meat and the onion browning, but here today I only had canned. When I cook on the stovetop, I like to taste as I go, so I tasted the meat. It needed a little more, so I added some more Worcestershire, and then I found another zesty seasoning in my pantry and went ahead and added that. So just taste as you go and adjust as needed. It is seasoned the way I want it, so I go ahead and turn off the heat, or you can just pull it off the burner, and then go ahead and add the sour cream. I don't like to add it with a lot of heat in case it curdles, and then your sauce is just about ready, and you can serve it with your noodles. This is our easy skillet hamburger stroganoff. It's one of our favorite meals. I hope you get a chance to try it. As always, thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll subscribe if you hadn't already, and like and comment, and have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.